King crab can have a leg span of nearly 2 meters. The king crab is one of the most enormous crab species known to man. It can weigh more than 11 pounds, having leg span of over 5 feet, which means that it can be as long as a human is tall. King crabs are also sometimes referred to as Alaskan king crabs. They can only grow larger through a process called molting, in which they shed their old shells and grow newer, larger ones. 3 king crab facts. The heaviest king crab ever found weighed 28 pounds. King crabs cannot swim. They move around by walking along the ocean floor. King crab appearance and behavior. Despite its name, the red king crab is typically not red. Live ones tend to have a more orange or burgundy hue. Some can even be a brownish blue color. King crabs are covered in a thick and heavy shell, which is usually called a carapace. In addition, their entire bodies are covered in large, sharp spines for additional protection. Outside of mating season, king crabs are solitary creatures. However, they have been known to group together in the face of large predators. They will stack on top of each other in what is known as a pod in order to appear larger and more menacing. These pods can be dozens of feet high and contain stacks of hundreds of crabs. Male king crabs usually grow to be larger than females. Female king crabs have a wide, fan-shaped abdomen, and males have a narrow, triangle-shaped abdomen. King crabs have 5 pairs of legs. The first pair of legs actually functions more like arms, and each has a sharp pincer attached to the end. The right claw is larger and thicker, and it is designed for crushing. The left claw is smaller, and it is designed to tear apart food. The 5th set of legs is also different from the rest. These legs are smaller and specialized to aid the crabs in egg fertilization during mating and cleaning fertilized eggs after they have been laid. King crab habitat. Most species of king crabs prefer to live in relatively shallow and muddy coastal waters. Adult king crabs generally prefer cold water that is between 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. King crab diet. King crabs are carnivores, and they are known for eating smaller ocean creatures such as worms, snails, mussels, barnacles, sea urchins, clams and fish. They will even eat smaller crab species. They are also considered opportunistic feeders, which means that they are not picky eaters. King crab predators and threats. The king crab's predators include large fish like cod, halibut and species like skates and sculpins. They are also in danger from octopuses and even other king crabs. The largest king crabs have very few natural predators due to their sheer size, and they are only vulnerable right after molting. Human harvesting of king crabs is another threat to wild populations. However, a number of man-made fisheries have been established, and strict harvesting regulations are in place, so they are not considered to be endangered.